In this video I'm going to show you how to change sensitive content settings on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the thing is that you can change sensitive content settings on Twitter applications, so first you need to open up your web browser and go to twitter.com and after that go through login process to enter to your account. And once you are logged in, tap there on profile icon to bring up that menu, and then scroll down for a bit to find settings and privacy. Here tap on privacy and safety, and after that tap on content you see. And here, in order to change sensitive content settings, you need to change this option display media that may contain sensitive content. If it toggled on, sensitive content will be displayed. If it toggled off, sensitive content wouldn't be displayed. That's how it works. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.